All right, Lanny, we're here today. Yeah, we're gonna be flipping some seed boxes. Muscles here.
Muscles.
We've been watching some YouTube videos how to properly flip seed boxes. We may try to do it one-man style, but most time it's gonna be a four-man team. One guy on the
Cutting the tags.
and then two guys flipping, one guy stacking. That's the way we'll do it. But we're gonna give a shot to do the one-man style. I don't know if it'll go too good, Lanny.
Wait till Big Heavy gets a hold of it.
Yeah. Slinging around like it's nothing, right? Yeah. All right, Kenny, the first most important thing before anything happens when we flip a seed box is what?
Cut the little red tabs off.
Cut the tabs off.
And you want a good set of pliers.
What kind of pliers you got, Kenny? Matco. We got our boxes flipped. Now we're going to have a little fun. We're going to do the seed box flipping challenge. I think all the guys, we're trying to talk Lanny into it, but Abraham is, Kenny is, and I'm going to all do our best to flip a seed box as fast as it can. And since there is no official world record, the person that flips it fastest will be the official world record holder for seed box flipping. One man style. We have a couple rules, real simple. One man only can do it. And you can take the lids can come off and all the latches can be turned to the left so you're ready to go. Start flipping. Other than that, flip away. When it lands on the ground, you're done. Have fun flipping. Our first competitor in the seed box flipping challenge is Abraham Mendoza. In your own time, go Abraham. I think he's got it, Lanny. Oh! Great job, Abraham.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Uh-oh. It's not working right here. Big mistake. Bummer.
You done?
You're done. You're done. You're done.
Okay, I failed. Abraham conquered it. Mine got away from me there at the very end. I thought I was doing really good. Abraham's the leader. Our final competitor in the seed box flipping challenge is Kenny Lee. Kenny, you gotta beat Abraham's 30 seconds. On your mark, get set, go! Nice. All right, we just completed the first seed box flipping challenge, and one of our guys set the new world record for fastest time to flip a seed box, one-man style. Abraham did it in 30 seconds, and the new world record holder for seed box flipping is Kenny Lee. 20 seconds seed box flip. And Lanny, our brother Lanny, he's got an injured finger, so he couldn't couldn't quite participate. And we won't talk about my time. It was bad, real bad. So Abraham, tell me about your seed box flipping experience.
It's my first day doing it. I don't know how much experience to do.
All right, Kenny, how was you? Since you now are the world record holder in seed box flipping?
Just do it. I'm third year doing it, so.
You got some experience, huh? You have a little more experience than Abraham.
You got more experience than I do. You should have been better.
Yeah, well, that was a disaster. Here's where I messed up before.